Yeah, good morning, all. So, welcome to 110 now SAP ABAP programming. Now, till now we have completed the introduction, architecture, log and log out procedure, screen basic advanced navigations, then ABAP dictionary, data dictionary, DDIC completed. In the programming part, introduction of ABAP programming, ABAP editor standards, features of ABAP program, and then basic steps to write a custom program, how to explore built-in programs. Then onwards, like data types, data objects, and operators, comments, all the basics covered. Now, if you look at, we were stopped at this level. In the data objects, data types are over everything. In case of data objects, we have done the almost except strings. We have completed everything. So the current topic is text symbols, where we left on the last day. Correct. So text symbols we have to discuss. Text symbols are yes. Okay. What exactly the text symbol concept and what are the limitation of this and also you have to aware of that. So let me log in first. Okay. Remote desktop. Hmm. So we were stopped at this level program. Okay. Program and ABAP dictionary SOST completed. And program 1 is exploring data types by using hard coded value as well as by assigning users parameters value. Then system fields, most commonly used system fields list over. Now we have started introducing the text symbols. So first of all, again I am revising this same topic again. When it comes to the write statement or sometimes message statement, in both statements, in general we will try to write the text within single quote some alphanumeric or special symbols value, but this is called as hard coded text. Okay, this is called as hard coded text. So this text is generally if you write this text within single quotes, this is not, first of all, limitation is, suppose there is a requirement we want to print Wipro Technologies and Rahija Mindspace and Hyderabad three times, suppose. Just okay, we'll go back to the basic. So in general, what we will do, what we supposed to do, copy this. Copy means type again. Okay, type again, paste it. So three times. Yeah, I am expecting output three times. So three times I have to type it or copy and paste it. This is only the way we can achieve the output, right? But what is the limitation of this is if the same text appears in the code repeatedly means more than once, again and again. Okay, that leads to confusion to the developer or programmer or ABAP consultant that why this code is written again and again. That is confusion. So SAP says that don't use this approach. Don't type it again and again. If it is a 10 characters, 20 characters, if it is more than that, how many times you type it or copy and paste it? That is not at all recommended approach because you cannot if the same code exists more than once, that is a hard coded text which is not recommended by us. How do you avoid this hard coded text is by converting into the by converting into text symbols. How do you convert text symbols? First of all, either message statement or write statement. What you can do is double click on this text. Double click on this text. Okay. Once you double click, it will say that text does not created for so and so. You want to create that dialog box comes create text dialog box. You have to click on yes so that it will take you to other place where you can maintain the text. Where you can maintain the text. So now what happens? You maintain the text over there, activate it, and come back and use it again. So system once you come back, system assigned automatically within bracket 001, 002, 003. So this is the way. Okay, it is text symbols are assigned in the bracket. Now next time onwards, simply we can make use of text hyphen. Text is a hard coded. Text hyphen. Text is a keyword. Hyphen is a separator. And the text symbol 3-digit text symbol name. Text symbol name. Okay. This is the way you can create it. Okay, got it? Yes. So now, if you go with this approach, what will happen? System started system started assigning 001. That is the beginning. 001 is the what is 001? First initially because triple zero is not permitted. Okay, in general, if I go to here, the text symbols names numbers text symbols like begins with begins with 001 to it will go up to 999. That is the maximum number. But what is the this thing? But text symbol supports alphanumeric. So if it is alphanumeric, then what happens? You can make use of ABC combinations of digits. Only ABC you can write, or only alphabets, or only numbers, or alphanumeric. Both three combinations it will support. Okay. Yes, that is the advantage. So now, if you look at the symbol, text symbol is always with yes. It could be alphanumeric or only alphabets. Only alphabets. Right. Second, the corresponding text. Text can be up to 132 characters. Yes. The text may consist of what? Same alphanumeric with alphanumeric with special symbols also allowed. No problem. Okay. Right. So now, uh, yes, if you look at this particular case, what is if you go back to the my initial days, I already told you text elements. If you go back to the previous topic, yes. So this is your text elements. Text elements are part of text pool. Okay, text pool. Pool is a color. Pool is the word in ABAP we are using. Pool is a collection of many. So text pool is nothing but collection of many text, simplified statement. Okay, this way you try to understand. Because we come across class pool, interface pool, type pool, etc. So text pool is this. Then next, we have it is subclassified as text symbol, selection text, and list heading. So now we want to go for this is your altogether text elements. So text elements subclassified as this. Suppose if you go back to the program, yes, this is your program, right? So first you go back to our normal status. Once you double click on this, it will take you to, you look at the title, ABAP text elements colon change text elements language English. So this is immediately program name is given here, stay active, text symbols, selection text, as well as list heading. So this list heading I will introduce while discussing with list formats. Selection text I will introduce with selection text. Time being we are discussing this text symbols. So the text symbols here, what kind of options are possible here is, if you look at the text symbols are 001, 002, 003, because this symbol is always 3 digit or alphanumeric I said, and its corresponding text. This text can be up to 132 characters. Okay, so here what is the difference here? 18 and 28. What is 18 is the current text occupied length. Maximum permitted length is 28. Suppose if I make it as 18, so 18 to 18 also no truncation happens. That is there. And moreover, this text is going to save it as a REPT. REPS versus REPT, you have to know that. REP means report. Report S for source code, T for text symbols. T for okay, yes, this is the object. Okay, yes, object type. That is, it's a kind of repository object type. Yes, all the stuff I am going to write it here. Here or there below also we can write it. So now, yes, we will go back to the below place, because that is introductory section. This is exploring section. Okay, so object type. Yes, object means repository object. Object type REPS. What is REPS? It represents REPS. One second. REPS okay, represents like report. Okay, report source code. Report source code. Then similarly, repository, because this is nobody aware of this. Just they go with the repository object type REPT represents represents report. REP stands for report, T for text elements. So most of the cases, source code everyone knows that source code. That is why, yes, yes, that is why, okay, for every change or creation or change, okay, yes, anything, that is for every time creation slash change of text element, okay, slash source code, anything we have to activate. Okay, source code or text elements we have to, activation is must. If we don't activate, it doesn't have any impact. This you remember first. REPS, REPT, right? Now if you go for there, right, what is our current topic? This is the flow. Our overall text pool. Under text pool, text elements are there. Under text elements, you can find the text symbol slash selection text, selection text and list heading. Yes, these two, this is the hierarchy. So, right, what exactly these text elements? Text elements are basically used for three purposes. Text elements, okay, under text elements, overall, text elements supports language translation. First one, we have to discuss that language translation part, and again, it supports the that is overall. But whereas when it comes to the text symbols point of view, okay, yes, text symbols are, yes, like this. What is it? Classified as, yes, classified as symbol plus text. Yes, that's what I mentioned. So symbol can be three letters, alphanumeric. Text can be, its corresponding text can be, yes, 132 characters. Now, so next what? Text symbols. Okay, text symbols are created only once, only once, and used for many times. But the limitation is, okay, there is a limitation we have to understand. The limitation of text symbol, limitation means kind of a restriction of text symbols is it is valid within program. It is valid within program. That means text symbols are reusable. Text symbols are reusable, agreed, but within the program only. But within program only. Yes, this is the difference. Okay, you have to aware of this. So we will practically look at this particular topic, how it is and all. So now, first step, yes, I activated REPS, activate, go back, yes. So this is your supported maximum length can be increased. This is occupied length. This is maximum length. Okay, yes. So you can increase the maximum length, and if you want to type something, okay, yes, it will support till up to 19 characters because this is given as a 19 character. If I reduce to 9, suppose 9, then what happens? Shortening the maximum length of the text, 19 to 9 will be converted like a text to read, all these things will get truncated. You want to go to yes? So this way you can truncate, or you want to extend it, extend the maximum it could be 40 characters. You type it, you can type the 40 characters length up to here. So I said it is can be up to 132. Yes. So it could be up to there is no check at all, direct activation. Yes, it is activated. Okay. So if we go back to around 150, we will see now any kind of errors. So that's what the max. This is what the concept of explore. If I say some statement, don't stick to my statement only. You go each line, each word, each statement, each syntax, try to explore. Yes, so maximum length can be of the text symbol can be set to 132. This is information message. So you have to copy this message as it is. You make your prepare your own notes. That is maximum permitted length because this is SAP saying it is just I gave 150. It is automatically going to convert to 132 maximum permitted. That is it could begin with 1. It could begin with 1 to 132 is the maximum length. Okay, this is also permitted. Yes. Okay, this we cannot edit. This 9 become something, it is automatically it become 14 because when you extend this length will, this is about your option. Go back to the second level. You want to do some delete all, select all. Yes, this icon is representing select all. This is deselect all, which is known to you. You can select one after another, one by line. Okay, otherwise you can do that. You want to insert between this, yes, insert row, or else select it, delete row, exactly opposite. Then you want to go for copy, yes, select it, go for copy, copy to 004. The same program, just same text, we are copied to 004. This way you can copy it. So it is very simple, right? Because easy to navigate all those things. We cannot write notes for everything. You can explore. Then go to the rename option. Suppose I want to rename it. Place the cursor on this. Go for A to B is always rename. So you change it to rename. What you are trying to rename? That is the number you are going to change it. Number. Number is, I'm changing to 006. Yes, you are changing to 006. So the text, because text is directly editable, but symbol is not editable. Symbol you can copy and replicate this, or symbol you want to rename it. So if you want to delete it, directly this way you cannot delete. You select the row, delete row. Delete row equals to delete line. Simple navigation. This is common everywhere SAP navigation. Then go to the next free numbers. Because if the program is so lengthy, okay, it will, you can go up to next free numbers. So since if you want to go with only numbers point of it will support 001 to 999. That is 999 text symbols. You can prepare it for the program. Within the program only you can use it. Okay. Yes. Suppose, but since it is supporting alphanumeric, we cannot say that how many symbols it will support. There is no such limitation. You can go with alphanumeric things, many things. Right. Second point, if you want to go for, this is a comparison also. Comparison of text symbols. So select to compare it. This is comparison result. Okay, just like MS Word comparison. Yes, this is your program name, language. Symbols can be deleted from the text pool. Symbols that need to be added to the text pool is okay. Symbols to be defined in the multiple languages and all. Right. Okay. So those things can be compared. Everything is okay. That comparison is everything showing green color tick mark. Okay. Then we will discuss this particular scenario in different ways. First of all, how I came to this. To reach to that place, there are two, three ways to reach to that place. One way is double click on program, go there. Okay. Other alternatively, you can go to text elements. Directly go to menu. Text elements also will take you to the program. So right. So yesterday's demonstration was creating text symbols from hard coded text. Hard coded text means this is first you are into, you are from program creating text symbols. Okay, from program. Yes. Okay. This is important. You are within program, you are creating. But alternatively, we will see this. What is it? If you go to the, like, what next? Go to menu. Okay. Go to menu. Okay. Arrow text symbols. Go to menu arrow text symbols. Yes. This is your, yes. Go to program. This is the program. Go to menu text elements. Sorry, because we cannot go to text symbols. overall text elements. So go to menu text elements is the menu path to reach, okay, to, okay, menu path for text element simply. Okay, right. Next, yeah, okay, there is a alternative approach is also there. So what is alternative approach? Yes, if you go back here, go to menu, text elements are not there from the initial screen. So that means from initial screen and from program screen. So this is your menu path for text elements. Okay, yes, from editor, that is from program. Okay, this is important. But there is a there is no menu path from the yes. So how to navigate? I am writing navigate to text elements. Navigate to text elements from ABAP editor initial screen. ABAP editor initial screen. So first, what you have to do is you have to specify program name. Specify program name. Then second step is choose text elements. Text elements radio button. Text elements radio button. Now you have to go for create. You can create it, can change it, can display it. All the three possible. Yes. So suppose, yes, this is your SC38 initial screen, ABAP editor initial screen. Specify the program name. Then you have to choose the, okay, sub objects text elements. Yes, this is choose text elements. Okay, sub objects. Sub objects text elements radio button. Because text elements are mm, text elements are sub objects of the program, okay, of the program. That is why it is program dependent. Okay, suppose in this program, if you go to text-001, you are getting Wipro technologies. And if you go to other program, and there you type it text-001, you will get some other one. Because, yes, so this is your overall explore. So if you go to text elements radio button, I have selected it. Yes, click on create. Already exist. That is, this create is first time only. So if it already exists, go to change mode. You go there, go to display mode. You know the difference. Display mode, you can only display, you cannot change it. After that, you have change button. You can do the change button, right? Otherwise, directly you can come to the change mode also. Okay. Yes, this is your overall. Yes. So for that, if you want me to explain, I am going to explain the quick picture through explanation, because I want to give much more clarity one time so that you don't get confused. Let us take, this is your SC38 program, G program. Okay, G program, which is type 1 program, executable program. Here we have two things. This is your, yes, program have two sub objects as of now. Both are sub objects only. Yes, first sub object by default sub object is what? Uh, Default sub object is source code. Yes, this is source code, which is automatically when you type 1, it begins with G program. dot, period. Correct? Yes. So here you are going to go for either right statement, okay, just like that, or message statement. Message both. Okay, there is a text message, something like that. So both message statement and text statement, both. So for that, if you double click on this text or text message, then you are branching to this where you are branching to the text elements. Yes, text elements. Under text elements, left side you will find text symbol. Under text symbols tab, under text symbols tab. Right. In fact, the selection text also program dependent. List heading, column heading is program dependent. Even text symbols are also program dependent. This text symbol, this text symbols, if you just convert it, this text symbol looks like this. So this is your, yes, symbol name. Just now I told you. So symbol name is 3 letters and this is the symbol text. Okay, if you double click on text, if you go here, so I am assigning default system will assign for 001. So 001 for test, right? When you double click on that, 002. 002 for test message. So that is, we have created one time. So you have to, this is individual, you have to activate and we have to activate. Yes, both you have to activate. This is one program, one program related source code, and the next what program related text elements. But these two are belongs to program only. Okay. Yes. Next time onwards, if you want to print reusable, how you can reusable? This is your write statement text hyphen 001 suppose. Okay, write statement text hyphen 002. So what will happen? This source code 001 directly it will point to the 001 corresponding text. This is the place. So its corresponding text, whatever is there, 132 characters, you will get it in the output. If you point to the 002, it will go to 002. Whatever the text is there, okay, this text will be displayed here. So that is one time write statement, message statement is okay. Next time onwards, simply you want to reuse in the program, simply we will make use of the symbol, that 3-digit number symbol. Will use a symbol through, you can use it in the program. Hope you understand this, like because of hard coding, writing. What is hard coding is if the same text appears more than once, that is not recommended by SAP. How do you avoid the hard code is by creating text symbol for that. How you create? By double clicking forward navigation through, you from program to text symbol, you can branch over there, you can transfer the control over there. And yes, so advantage of double click forward navigation is text automatically gets copied from program to the text symbol automatically. You no need to do it. And number free, whatever the next immediate free number will assign automatically. That's it. The double click forward navigation scenario. Okay, hope you guys understand. But we have other approach. What is other approach is, this is program through we came here. But sometimes I want to I want to create first. I want to use it here. So if you want to create first, go there first. Go to text elements. Here I am giving CAP caption. Caption as, yes, applied, okay, like applied innovation, right? Applied, yes, innovation. Some caption of the Wipro, applying thought, okay. Yes, applying just. So once I press enter, here 28 came automatically, here 16 came. Because this number of character system counts, accordingly this length will be freezed, which is non-editable. Only maximum length can be editable. So CAP I created it. Now save it. And I told you text cannot be checked always. That's why syntax check. No need to carry out for text. It could be error also. Because there is no point of error creation here. So just this is make sure that you have to activate it. Yes, activate it. Go back. So CAP is ready. Go back to program. Here, if you write it, U line, then write statement text hyphen CAP. That's it. So execute it. You are getting applying thought. Okay, suppose directly text hyphen CAP is okay. Yes, it is giving error. Yes, it is giving error that yes. So if I write a message, text text cap is okay, but you have to write a kind of message type I for information message because you don't know message types and all. Yes. Okay. So now if you go to here, you will get one message information type as applying thought. Second one is you are getting right statement result. Okay, that's okay. Basic because we will discuss that message concept later. Time being, I'm just showing you because you can use this text hard coded text in the messages also or right statement also. You got it right. This is one of the way you can create the text. So now what is our this thing is create the text and reuse it. Otherwise we can yes we can create text text symbols first and activate next use it in program so this is other alternative approach. Okay, got it. That means like you can double click through forward navigation through this is your double click we are technically calling it as forward navigation. Okay, this is one of the approach. So majority we will come with forward navigation approach only. The reason is because you no need to by copying text typing text we may do mistakes. That's why. Okay, so this is the approach. Then if you want to do other way around, I will show you. Just I want to go to another right statement. What is that? Applied innovation. Yes, applied innovations. Yes, this is again because there is a one type of normal syntax check, there is no error. But when it comes to the extended program check, code under peer review or code review level, they will identify this error that this is not a standard approach. We have done a mistake. That is, you have to yes. So what is your concept is you have to double click on this program text does not exist. Next immediate free number is 004 will be assigned to that which is non-editable. See the flow 004. Our text copied everything. Your job is just activate it. 004 is automatically yes 004 key. Okay. So if you want to use it, write statement text hyphen 004. So okay, yes, the number through you can use it. Clear? Yes, this is because of the message statement. Message you can comment it if you are confused at this point of time. So Hope you guys understand a reusable text and avoid hard coding text. But this text elements, not only the purpose of this text element is this too. And there is a one more advantage of text element is it supports to write language independent programs. So text elements are used, it supports language translations, and moreover, text elements are used. Hmm, okay, here, like we will write it at the below. Yes, text elements are used to write language independent programs. What is the meaning of this language independent? Means it okay hmm, text elements can be converted to source language. Source language is nothing but logon language to target language. Source language to target, yes, language. So now, yes, translation happens only one time. Yes, we can translate only one time. Okay. Next time onwards, next time onwards, when we log in, when we log in into target language, when we log in into that language, system automatically displays the, yes, log in into, yes, the text displays mm, into the converted language. It displays the output, because you will come to know this with demonstration through, you will come to know. So output depends on logon language. Very simple. Final state. Logon language. Exactly. So how do we do that? This is also you have to make a note of it. The steps and all, you have to note it. You have to practice it today itself. Example, if you go to here, I have text as usual, but I will write it down as one type of uline. Uline write statement. So good morning. So if you go to good morning, execute it. Execute good morning. Yes. Now for this also you can create a text symbol. Double click. Yes, text symbol 005 created, activate it. So come back 005 came, execute. You are getting good morning as output as usual. Yes, there is no change. Right. Next, here this go to that place. Okay. Here go to menu translation. This translation menu is available at this place also. So if you go to translation, go to menu translation. Yes. From go to menu, then translation. Yes. So, yes. Here it will ask for original language and target language. So if you look at here, original language and original language which logon language is English, target language is German by default. If you look at the drop down for help, it is showing the original language is this text created original language is 44. You want to change it, you can change the original, but a target can be, yes, you can change it. So target is going to be DE. Why it is DE also you have to know that. Because here in this server remote system, only in this remote system, what happened? Only English and German only installed in this. Because generally the basis consultants, they have to install the other languages also when they go for. Yes, then you will get from this app for help all the available languages. Now it is only showing English and German as by default, not other languages. Okay, you got it right. But even though you want to convert it, so now if you look at go to menu translation, dialog box. So in the dialog box, you can find okay, find original language, original language as logon language, logon language in the dialog box. Second, that is one thing. Second one is target language. So what text? You can specify the target language as German. Yes. So next what? Target language. That is your this is your EN English. If you want to can change it, but this is your program created target language could be from DE. That is your German language. That's it. Now you have to go. That means we are going to convert English to German. Continue. So if you go to continue, yes, continue. Now what will happen? System will go take you to the separate place, separate T code where you can create this language conversions. Okay. Yes. So there it will show, it will copy this program related Wipro technologies, Rahira mind spacing, yes, all these things. So we have the text 0010202 up to everything it is. Because I want to show you an alphanumeric example, that's why I showed you CAP stands for caption. Wipro Technologies caption is applying that I showed. Then here, what in this particular screen, okay, here this is T code SE38 only, but this is a separate screen altogether where only you can convert the. Now we have to write the alternative text for Wipro Technologies and this all this text into German language. Into German language. Yes, if you go to this type of times, we will go to generally, okay, go to Google Translators, we will use it here. In Google Translator, yes, this is your go to Google, yes, simply type translator, translate, because this is already a Google editor. So detect language. See, even you can specify source language will automatically detect. Target language you can specify it as uh, target language you can specify it as German ABCDC. This is international. It is automatically as German. So right side is German. Left side Google Translate is now available in 110 new languages. It's okay. So the Grammarly is integrated for this. If you type, if you do some mistakes, good morning. Yes, good morning. So good morning English is detected right side. Guten Morgen. Okay, this is your okay. Guten Morgen. Yes, that's what I am going to type it here. Yes, go to yes GEN. Yes, okay. Press enter. That's it. So the conversion happens. Number of proposal that is still other 7 are pending. You can go for save it, save the text, come back. That's it. So this is your approach to do the conversion part. So what you have to do, specify alternative, uh, alternative German text, then save and back. That's all. But after coming back, you still, if you see the output, you are getting good morning only. There is no such difference. But I will keep this editor, otherwise I will sign out, log out. Yes, log out and I will re-log in German language. So how do we log in German language? Client number same, username same, password also same. Only in place of language, you have to enter DE. Okay, enter DE, continue. Okay, first time when you log in it here, copyright, etc. Continue. So this is SAP Easy Access. Here, majority, yes, certain things, okay, yes. Think suppose if you go to SC11, what you will find it? Yes, ABAP dictionary, start of application. This is start of application, ABAP dictionary. So ABAP dictionary, initial screen kind of. So this is your database table view. Sometimes some are same, some are different. Even if you go to SE38, this is your program, right? ABAP editor program. So we have to take ZB1 underscore, sorry, AVK underscore program 1. This is what my program, right? Yes, this is the program. Already active status. Just execute it. From initial screen also you have execute button. See, you got the output as Guten Morgen because I logged in German. Remaining things as usual you got in English only because we have not converted it. We have not converted it. Okay, got it? So this is output depends on the logon language. Okay, if you after creation of the first text symbol creation, then you have to go for convert it, convert into target language. After conversion, you specify the corresponding text, save it and come back. Next time onwards, if you log in the program in English, it will show the English output. If you log in the program, log in into German, it will, the program will display the German output because it will just because only when you execute, the control will transfer to this place. It will search for text symbol. What is the text symbol available correspondingly? Accordingly, it will display the output. Okay, because this program sub-object is source code, program sub-object is text element. This all text elements are program dependent only. It can be reused multiple times within the program, right? So next topic. Actually, you have to remember that SAP supports multilingual, correct? But SAP available in 44 language. But ABAP available in which language? ABAP available in only English. ABAP available. ABAP, you cannot write ABAP in 44 languages. Okay. Yes. ABAP always into global international English only. That's why we are using English keywords and all everywhere. Okay. No confusions. This is your small demonstration on the text elements. Text elements, text symbols. Again, I sign out. Once again, log in English. I will show the English output. Okay. This is since I want to show you. One second. I want to thought of to show one small demo. I'm using this. So you can take anything, any language. go to use that Google Translator, we frequently used in our live project also, because uh, it is because certain text still it is written in German only. That's why we require translators. Okay. So yes, this is what about your overall text symbols related information, right? Execute it. Yes. Next, this text, wherever text comes, this translation option, even if I go to the SC11, okay, even if I go to SC11, the data element, yes, this is your data element. What is that data element? We have created many data elements, right? Z, AVK underscore star EMP, something like that, star F4 data elements, uh, data elements, yes, Aadhaar number, PAN number, etc. But we have created a text for this. Okay, yes, text for this. I remember field labels. So because data element is a semantic properties, here the text is more focused on the short description and field labels. These things also you can convert into target language. Yes, go to menu, always it is go to menu translation. English to German, continue. English to German. Here you can convert alternative text for mobile number. Yes, mobile number. What is this mobile number? This is a kind of long description, short description, medium description, all the four types of description, even okay, because four types of field labels, short, medium, long field labels, and short text also given here. Everything. So you can convert it, these things, go back and test it. So all the, suppose if I go to Kunar is the customer number, right? Yes, this is they have mentioned as customer in English. But can I go to translation? Yes, go to translation. But here it is, see, it is showing reverse order. You remember this? Just when I came here, go to menu text elements, you have to observe many things. Original language. Original language is this Kunar is created original language German, and you want to translate to English. So it is reverse exactly. German to English you are converting. Go back. Yes. So that means even I did not do anything. SAP done everything for you. You are just observing the Kunar data element translation. So this is your English corresponding German. English, German, right? Data, because this is they mentioned as usual only customer as English, but okay, this way you can go and try out. Because in remote system this net does not work. You cannot open the Google here. So once you go to Google here in the normal local system, but you cannot copy this text into remote system. That is vice versa is not possible. Remote system to local or local to this is also not permitted. So this is one of the way. Anyone have question? Yes. Yeah, please. Any question? Okay, done. No time. Okay, thank you. So now this is your overall text elements related information. One small line. Finally, we will write it. What is that? Data element. Data element text also can be converted to target. Target means desired language. Actually, we have to write Okay, which language you want to? Required target which language? Yes, that is best example is you check it out. Kunar data element. Yes, Kunar data element text is there. You can check it out. Yes, because of this. Then this is a small topic. It took almost 1 hour to cover, but one time discussion because tomorrow I will introduce messages topic going forward. The messages versus text symbols also you have to remember. The text symbol supports alphanumeric, but messages does not support alphanumeric. Messages are only 000 to 999. That is the major difference. The text symbols are program dependent, but messages are program independent. That is the text symbols can only reused within the program number of times, but messages are used in any T code, any program, a number of times you can use it. Messages also supports language translations. Okay, so that's all for today's. We will continue tomorrow session. Okay, thank you. Thanks.